What? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another Gorilla Tag VR video. I'm Dr. Chef. We have an update to check out. You know how much we love updates on this channel. That's pretty much all we do sometimes is check out updates. So with that, let's get going. Monkey Biz is here. Celebrate the Lunar New Year, the year of the snake. Progress your skills, and share that journey with friends. Snow is still piling up, and for the first time ever, a Flashback bundle has returned. Don't miss your chance to grab the Mad Scientist set. Oh, you mean the set I have?
Yeah, I can finally get it.
Heck yeah. Okay, so what's this?
So you can friend people. See if you put like your thing here. Now a friend, see?
Let's check out City first. Oh, there's a poster. February 8th, huh?
Yeah.
Looks like something's gonna be happening on February 8th. It is the Scientist set. I have this set. Oh yeah, it says already owned. Flashback sale. Whoa. Look at this Lunar New Year stuff. Oh, free badge. This is cool. Whoa, all these like winter hats. That's cool.
Look.
Oh! We could be scientists together. Oh, Canada. You over here beatboxing?
Yeah, huh?
Looks like they're going to be adding something. Well, that's new.
Wait, what's new?
The new sound for basement. Wait, did it not happen to you?
No.
That was weird. Alright, I'll meet you in there. They added sounds and stuff.
Yeah.
Alright.
They made this much closer.
They got featured. Gorilla Ants, Gorilla Games, Hard Block, the Scrapyard.
Let's see what the scrapyard is.
There we go. I go down this. Woo! What's over here?
Yeah?
There's a big tunnel.
Ooh, let's see what it leads to.
Woo! Whoa! There's a mouse down here. Or a rat. He squeaks.
Jeez.
Oh, there's more than one rat down here.
Really?
Yeah, they're all around the cheese. They're like worshipping the cheese.
That's cool.
There's so many rats. What was up there?
Let's see where the exit takes us.
What's in here? Whoa! Why is there music? Ah! Whoa! The laboratory. It says lava rework. Whoa! This is cool. Ah! Oh! I'm stuck in a lava crystal.
Me too.
Oh! This one's leaking. Ah! Hey, we're in the same hole!
Yo, what's Gorilla Games?
Well, I don't know.
Just
That looks interesting.
see it.
Like Squid Games.
Option.
Whoa! It is like... This is where they sleep in Squid Game.
Whoa, you can actually go in the door.
On my way! Whoa! Nope! Do we have to go in the same door?
I think so. Let's see. Glass bridge.
Oh no.
I think it's this one. It's this one. This one?
Ah! They're so far apart from each other. Okay. Whew.
I'm gonna go say no.
Oh!
Oh no!
Are you kidding me? My arm just completely glitched out in the game. Like, there's no way out. I feel like there's probably not too much more for the update. I feel like it's mainly a flashback.
You have the paper airplane.
Oh, yeah.
No, they patched it.
Did they patch it? Oh. Well, it was only a matter of time.
Well, I found another one, and I found another glitch for it.
What's your glitch?
So, you will hold a paper airplane, and it will come out here, but you won't see it. But if you let go and, like, throw your...
Whoa!
It appears.
How'd you figure that out so quick? Let me try. Let me try. Science. We love science. Whoa! That's fun!
So free.
Yeah, we just gotta start it in here. What happens if we try and take it into another map?
Ooh, yeah, let's see what happens. Let me get my paper airplane.
Oh, it works!
It works in different maps?
Yeah, I carried it all the way to Metro. What happens if I shrink with it? Woo! Okay. I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh, it works!
Whoa!
You wanna see what yours looks like? While you're tall? Send her up. Let's see how big she is. Whoa! That is huge when you're big!
Is that going in the video? Is
Yeah.
that going in the video?
Oh yeah, it is.
Yay!
Heck yeah! Woo! That was so cool. Okay, your little thing here is fun.
Yeah, my little base.
Yes. So fun. I love it. Alright, I'm down here.
You ready?
On my way. Ready or not, here I come. Do 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 do. We'll do that thing where we get 3 hints, but just say Polo when I say Marco. Marco.
Hello.
Okay. That way I can kind of tell what direction you're in, so you're not waiting forever. Check in the mall. Found you! Wait. Are you? What? What? How though? How?
I'll show you.
I'm on my way out the hole. Let me out. Ah, how did you do that?
I climbed up here. I balanced up here. Did that? Did this? Did and I landed here. I did this. Landed in here. And I
Oh yeah, because again, for the 3rd video in a row, you love to hide behind things that look like there's nothing behind them. What?
I freaking can you press this?
Yeah, what's it do?
Look at your badge.
Whoa! Does it change on me? Yours says 8.
Wait, take
Whoa.
the shirt off. I can't see with it really good.
Oh yeah, I'll change back into my other outfit. Hold on. Can you see it now?
It says 7. Mine says 8. It says 7.
Okay, so what else? Find something to eat.
I can give you something.
Oh, apple. Ah! We match! Climb the tallest tree in forest. Oh, wow.
What it is.
That's a lot. Hold on. Okay. That's so cool. What? So it just levels up your badge?
I guess so.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
They did it.
I've never done this before.
You're on top of it!
I did it! That was fun. Me too! We did it! What's the 2 hours daily? Play Guardian? Guardian. Let's check it out.
You touched that meteor.
Whoa!
You're big now. And the point of the game mode, if you touch it and not let me touch that meteor.
I can pick you up!
Yeah, and you can throw me.
I can throw you?
Yeah. Can I show you what you look like?
Yes. Whoa!
Like this. You're big, like this.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Whoa!
Are you recording this?
I am! This is so fun. I'm coming back for you, Meteor. You best believe it. I'm gotta be thrown.
Okay.
Creepy! Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Hello? Oh no! He just fell off! Oh my gosh, even that thing is small! Can I get in? Let me in, it's tiny! Whoa! What happens if I... Easy way to make it to the top of Stump, I'll take it. Woohoo! 10, baby, we got 10, 10, 10, we got 10. Do, 10, 10, 10. It looks like 01, 01, 'cause I'm in a mirror. Bye. Thanks for joining me, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. Love the update. Cool cosmetics. The glitch with the airplane that took him T-minus 20 seconds to figure out. I hope you guys had a blast. I had a blast always. It's fun playing with Party. Obviously, he is the king of hide and seek. I don't think he'll ever be dethroned. I think he's forever the king of hide and seek. Because even when I thought I got him, good thing we weren't actually playing tag, because there was a barrier between me and Party. Meaning I couldn't have got him even if I wanted to. All I could do was see him.
Yeah.
Because you're so good at hiding. Until next time, my guys, stay wild and do gorilla
Kings and be gorillas and be gorillas and be gorillas.
gorilla things. Ooh, ah, ah. Boom.